From a macro perspective, large format retail is less susceptible to the rise of e-commerce. It's weighted towards categories that consumers like to touch and trial. It also removes a lot of the friction associated with the traditional shopping centre experience. And car parking is probably the number one thing that comes to mind there. Australia is also seeing shifts in household composition. So we're seeing really strong population growth, which is obviously a key demand driver of retail spending. But the growth in the number of occupied dwellings is actually even stronger. And that bodes really well for categories that are held in large format retail that cater towards furniture, white goods, things that improve the home. From a fundamentals perspective, there's been a lot of competition for sites, for land, with industrial uses. And with the strength in industrial over the last couple of years, that sector's kind of taken precedence. So there actually hasn't been a lot of large format retail supply come to market, and that's seen vacancy rates decline to record lows. So there is a certain softness to the outlook for the consumer over the next 12 months or so, and that certainly needs to be taken into account when you're pricing an opportunity. But we think that's outweighed by the lack of supply in the market, by affordable rental levels for retailers, and long-term resilience to some of those macro trends.